to make this banging deviled eggs, here's the ingredients you're gonna need. So you're gonna need some mayonnaise, you're gonna need some mustard, you're gonna need some salt and black pepper. You're gonna need some garlic powder, paprika, parsley. You're gonna need relish. Relish is the secret ingredients. Yeah, I know about that.
It's not a secret no more. You told him. Carry on.
Oh no, she didn't! Oh!
So like I was saying, you're gonna need some fresh onions. And last but not least, you can't make deviled eggs without the eggs. So here's the ingredients you're gonna need to make this banging deviled eggs. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next.
Chef and Chefettes, it's time to perfectly cut our boiled eggs. We boiled our eggs for about 10
to 15 minutes.
Oh, thank you, Chef Trini. Nobody asked you.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Oh, good.
I was gonna tell
Good.
our family members and friends how long.
Okay.
But thank you for your assistance.
I know for next time.
Good.
Nobody asked me.
Look at our perfectly boiled egg. Look at this. Look at this. You see it?
I see it.
So we're gonna cut them in half, long ways. Okay, and we're gonna take out the middle. I'm gonna show you a couple. I ain't gonna do all of them. Look at that. All the yellows, we're gonna put them to the side. And then you're be like, what are you gonna do with the yellow? I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with all them yellows. Chef Trini gonna do it.
Totally.
I certainly need a new assistant.
Totally.
See this? Look how perfect.
Yeah, you're doing a bang up job.
I know, because I'm the chef.
I know.
So I'm gonna do that to all of these, and then I'm gonna show you what to do with the yellow part.
Alright, chefs and chefettes, so our eggs are boiled. Chef Sam cut them in half and took out the yellow. So next you're gonna take your yellow, the yolk of the eggs, and put them in a bowl. Then you're gonna add your onions. You're gonna add your relish. And all the ingredients we told you. Your paprika. Your garlic powder. A little bit of mustard, not too much because you don't want to taste too much mustard. A little bit of mustard. Your black pepper. You're gonna put a good bit of black pepper. I would say about a tablespoon of black pepper. Very little salt. And last but not least, you're gonna take the mayo. About a tablespoon to two tablespoons of mayo. Well, we're doing about 5 eggs. Yeah, so 2 tablespoons should be good.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
And then next and last, you're gonna mix everything up. You see this? Come close, come close. Just mix everything up till it's nice and like mashed potato consistency. All right? So this is what you're gonna do. Stay tuned for the next step.
This is so easy. So you saw Chef Trini mix up all the ingredients with the egg yolk nicely, right? I took all of what he did, the mixture, and I put it in a Ziploc bag. See that? I twisted it up. See all the ingredients in there? Can you believe this is just 5 eggs? It's a lot, right?
Sure is.
Now I'm gonna cut the tip. If you have like one of those fancy tools from like baking cakes and stuff that makes it into a flour, you can put that in first in the Ziploc and then pour in your mixture and it'll look super fancy. But we don't have one, so we're gonna make do with what we have. So I'm gonna cut the tip a little bit. All right, and then it's so simple. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit in each. Watch me. Look at that. Look how simple this is. I'm not gonna fill it up like super to the top because I wanna make sure I have enough for all of them. All right. Look at that. So simple. And you know what I love about deviled eggs? Let me tell you guys. It's so not only is this quick to make, it serves as such a great appetizer.
Hmm.
You can put this, like make this for Thanksgiving, for when you have little parties, a barbecue. What? Look at that. And I have so much left over.
That's crazy.
So let's see which one needs some little bit more leaven in here. Don't be scared to like overflow them either. Like, it's delicious. Look at that. Now let me show you guys what you're gonna do. Take your paprika. Paprika first. Look how simple this is. Look at this. See that? Take your parsley. Super simple, guys. Look at this. Tell me that don't start looking. Look at this. Tell me that don't look nice. Tell me that don't look nice. You seeing this, Chef Trini?
I'm looking at it.
That's it. And you serve this up. Cooking comedy way you serve it up, all right? On a nice fancy platter. And that's all you gotta do to make these ultimate devil eggs, guys.
That's it.
And we
Hope you liked this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
and
We
are